The best GitHub repositories for Django developers. The following are the top 8 GitHub repositories to help you work faster. 1. Zadmin. Drop-in replacement of Django admin comes with lots of goodies, fully extensible with plugin support, pretty UI based on Twitter Bootstrap. 2. Django Jet. Modern responsive template for the Django admin interface with improved functionality. 3. Django Auth. Integrated set of Django applications addressing authentication, registration, account management as well as third-party social account authentication. 4. Django REST Auth. This app makes it extremely easy to build Django-powered SPA's single-page app or mobile apps exposing all registration and authentication-related functionality. 5. Wagtail. A Django content management system focused on flexibility and user experience. 6. Django CMS. The easy-to-use and developer-friendly enterprise CMS powered by Django. 7. Django Debug Toolbar. A configurable set of panels that display various debug information about the current request response. 8. Django Dev Server. A drop-in replacement for Django's run server. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.